Welcome to the project demonstration of wireless IoT control DC motor speed and direction controlling by making use of Intel Galileo Generation 2 board. So here we are going to controlling the speed and direction of this 1000 RPM DC motor with help of L293D motor driver. So L293D is a motor driver, can control the speed and direction of two DC motors. So we can connect motor 1 here and motor 2 here. So presently we are just dealing with the DC motor 1, so that's why we have connected here, and the respective pins are connected to these three pins to the Intel Galileo board. One pin is for PWM input, this pulse width modulation input, to control the speed of this DC motor, and remaining two pins, this black and white, are the direction purpose. So 0 1 one direction, 1 0 another direction, 0 0 motor off. And next, this green and yellow from this end are the power supply to this L293D board, and this black and red are the main power supply for the DC motor supply. So that will be directly getting from this socket, and about 12 volts. So this adapter will take 230 volts and 110 volts. It can be a world standard adapter, so it can provide the 12 volts constant output. And this one is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, which was interfaced at green, yellow at 0 and 1 pin, and next red, orange. So red is the positive and orange is the ground, which was connected to the Intel Galileo board here. And next, so this board will be programmed every time when we restart this system. So these are the connectors to be used for the worldwide. So based on your socket, you can connect this. Just in order to connect that, press this and top. Okay, so it come out, and you can attach another one. So just I am demonstrating this for Indian standard one. Right. Press it, and later on, so gently open. Okay. So right, so once we give the power supply to this Arduino, so the same power supply given to the DC motor also. So before execution of this project, we need to install some steps in your phone as well as in your laptop. So that is install SSH Juice SSH application. So this is the Juice SSH application which is available in Play Store Android phones. And next, go to the hotspot settings of your phone. Right, change the hotspot name to configure that. Change the hotspot name to project 4943 and the password 129. So later on you can change this, and for that you need to change in coding also. So done, I have enabled the hotspot. So right, and also better to install this network analyzer application also. So Juice SSH network analyzer. So the purpose of the network analyzer application is whenever we switch on this gate, the system was connected to the mobile phone and we'll get the IP address. So in order to get the IP address, some mobile phones will show directly in settings only, some we don't show that. So then we need to install the network analyzer application. So this is up to the kit and mobile phone. And coming to the laptop, so in your hardware, so we need to install Intel Galileo board. So for that, go to tools, right, and in that, boards and board manager. So there we need to select the all to the Intel Arduino certified. One second. Right, so Arduino certified. So there we will see this kind of boards. Then we need to install the Arduino i586. So we need to install Arduino Studio software initially, and then Arduino i586 board. Install this, and after that you can close. And now connect the USB cable here, and the next same USB cable connected to the laptop, and then give the power supply to the kit. Right, so supply was given. So wait, one more light will be on here. So it will take maximum of 20 to 30 seconds for the booting. So once the booting was successfully done, so then we will get the COM number in your laptop. Right, let me show you the how to check the COM number. So then you can see coming tools again, and there we will get the COM number here. So wait for some time, after that we will get that. Right, so now we can see the COM3 in my laptop. It's showing COM number 3 as so, but in your laptop it will be differs. So but it will show you the Intel Galileo board. And now go to boards. There we can see the Arduino i586 boards. Then select Intel Galileo Generation 2 and open our code. After opening this, you can do all these setups. And here, so there are the 2 lines commented in this one. So these are from the top, and there the 2 lines are commented. So there we can change this. After change this, we need to load the code 2 times. So after change this, so for example, so I am changing it to some other name, that is to the project 4983. Right, I've changed that to 4983. I uncommented that and select the board and COM number and load the code. Right, and then we need to change the same thing in your mobile phone also. Right, so there we can see the done uploading. So 4983. Right, done. So once this is a restart, this one button is a restart one. So after restarting successfully, so you can see that after restarting, after coding load successfully, you can see the light blinking, and so this light will be on and off 2 times after successful Wi-Fi connection established. Now we need to comment this. Right, again these 2 lines should be commented and reload the code. So code reloaded from this key button, code should be reloaded. So after reload successful, right, after reload successful, same the light will be on off 2 times. In my case, as I said, we can get the IP address from the settings only. Otherwise, go to network analyzer, do LAN scan. So there you will get the express 192.168.43.153. So now go to this settings. So once you entered, it will come in this side. Otherwise, first time, so in the first time it will show like this without any connections. So go to manage connections, add. Here one is type telnet, another is whatever the IP address which we got from that application or from our settings, 192.168.43.153. And the port number 8080. So type telnet and next address and a port 8080. These 3 changes should be done. Right, so we will get this 3 lines on successful completion. Okay, and now for forward rotation. So it's slowly rotating, speed up, U, enter, again U, enter. You can see the speed is increasing. For backward rotation, B. So down, D. So keep on sending the D letter. So you can see the speed is getting down. Forward. Okay. So in this manner we can control the speed of the DC motor along the direction.